So in addition to factorization as well as completing the square, you can also solve a quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. So let's take a look about it in this lesson. So this is a quadratic equation, and the quadratic formula is this long formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is a, what is b, what is c? So in this equation, a is a coefficient of x square. So a value is 1. B is a coefficient of x. So b value is positive 2, or to be simple, 2. C is a constant term, which is minus 8. Make sure that there are no numbers on the right side. If you have some other numbers other than 0, bring them to left side before deciding on A, B and C. Now let's substitute these values into this lengthy formula. Minus b minus 2 plus minus square root. So it's a long square root. B is 2, so 2 square minus 4 times a is 1, c is minus 8. Whole thing divided by 2a, which is 2 times 1. So we have here minus 2 plus minus square root. 2 square is 4. Minus and minus become plus. 4 times 1, 4. And then the 4 times 8, 32. Divide by 2. So I'm showing you here step by step. If you are familiar, you can skip some steps. Square root 36. Divide by 2. So square root of 36, when you use a calculator, you will get 6. So we make the expression in a simplified format. We can further split this into 2. One is minus 2 plus 6 divided by 2, or minus 2 minus 6 divided by 2. So which is going to be 4 divided by 2, or minus 8 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 going to be 2, or minus 4. So there are two roots for x now. One is x equal to, another one is x equal minus 4. So these two values are the solution of this particular expression or equation. X square plus 2x minus 8 equal 0. Let's take a look at another example now. So let's write the values of a, b, c now. So a is 1, b is minus 5, and c is 6. So your x value, by substituting in this formula, minus 5, because the b is minus 5, plus minus square root minus 5 square, 4 times a is 1 and c is 6. Divide by 2 times 1. So it's going to be 5, because minus minus become plus. 25 minus 24. So it is 5 square root of 1. Square root of 1 is nothing but 1 itself. So it's going to be 5 plus 1 divided by 2, or 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So 5 plus 1 is 6, divided by 2 going to be 3. 5 minus 1 is 4, divided by 2 going to be 2. So there are two roots here. One is 3, another one is minus 2. Let's take a look at one more example. So for this question, so what are the values of A, B and C? A is 1, B is 5 and C is minus 8. So let's slightly make a change. What if this is plus 8? So C is plus 8 also. It should be more interesting to see. So it is minus 5 plus minus within the square root 5 square minus 4 times 1 times 8 divide by 2 times 1. So minus 5 plus minus, in the square root we have 25 minus 4 times 8 is 32 divide by 2. So we got minus 5 plus minus square root minus 7 divide by 2. Interesting. This is why I changed this number to plus 8 to show you what you will do when you get within the square root minus 7. So if you try to find the square root of minus 7, your calculator gives you an error because there is no square root of minus 7 in real number systems. So if you come across a number like this, a negative number within the square root, what you will do, you just write down no real roots, because you cannot proceed after this. You can't find out any square root of minus 7. So if you happen to have minus number within the square root, you just stop the problem there and then write it down, no real roots. Please subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/EasyElearn channel.